Hi, Ian. Hi. Okay, these names probably are not ordered. Um, Hurricane themed disaster. Yeah, I got um, education knows we're really in touch right now. Like here, July. Bring it through this year. This is my animal. All four walls are covered with pictures from Super Mhm. Most half of them are sad, some of them are home, I don't know. So, sorry, I'm kind of like sticking with them. I have like two people going and are you okay? What's going on? So, yeah. This is basically like an update or something. Um, again, please stop praising me. If you have any questions, put them there. And yeah, going into it is Miranda, I know you're planning something. I'll just stop it now. Shelby, I know you hate me. Just cut it off. Oh, and one thing. This is you might know, you might not. His name is Jared Jackson. Again, I mentioned him. The video, and I don't think he was too happy about it. But, okay. Hold on. Um, okay. I know that video. I have 92 followers. I'm trying to make it to 100. Yeah, I know you're probably confused that my YouTube account is currently, that was a mistake. Um, I was trying to help out a friend. It's too much hate and I'm gonna continue. Oh, this is a video. I did guys. And subscribe and I don't know. Okay. I'm a fun person. The person in my other two videos that really definitely she's like in her boyfriend is talking about friend in relation message and like so yeah. the way, he failed. Wait, before that, I want to say that. Now, my siblings want to call somebody else. Hey, citizens, not everything's here. Bye.